I'm at Johnston with Dwell 360 Real Estate. Today, we're in the Farm Road area of Marlborough, Massachusetts, with a meticulously maintained 2012 built Colonial home that I'm really excited to show you. Let's go. Welcome to 15 Nolan Way. Its spacious open floor plan makes it a perfect fit for contemporary living. From the direct entry two-car garage to the sliders to your private patio, this home has it all. Just off the eat-in kitchen, we have this expanded patio with mature plantings for privacy, and check out this vegetable garden. This thoughtfully designed second floor has 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Look at this primary closet. On the lower level, we have 3 finished spaces, ideal for a home office, a play area, and a workout room. I'm at Johnston with Dwell 360 Real Estate. Thank you for touring 15 Nolan Way here in Marlborough, Massachusetts. Please feel free to reach out to me about this home or any other home on the market.